Welcome back to my cooking channel, guys. So I'm doing a Valentine's Day special today. This one I'm going all out. I'm breaking out the apron. All right, I got my bags. I'm going all farm down on this one, guys. So just let me walk you through this recipe. All right guys, so Valentine's Day is coming up, so I'm going to be making a nice gourmet dish for you guys so you could try for your partner. Guys, your girls will love this one. Girls, you guys are going to love this one. So we have some tomato paste, some celery. We're going to use that for a sauce with a few more ingredients. We got some red onions, some red wine vinegar, some red wine. We're going to make some pickled onions. We got a nice swordfish fillet. All right, we got some apple cider vinegar, some lemon juice. We got some more some fingerling potatoes, fingerlings. So yeah, we're gonna have a lot of cooking going on, guys. So stay with me through this one. Let me walk you through this one real quick. So the first thing I'm going to start with is the pickled onion and the potatoes. Those take the longest, and it won't be Valentine's Day without a glass of wine, right? All right, so for your pickled onion, all you need is some red cooking wine, some red wine vinegar, a little bit of sugar, and your onion. But you're going to make sure we cut the onion really fine, Julianne. Depends on how much you're making for. You probably just need half the onion. And remove the outer leaves. And I usually just cut like down, get these out. I'm just gonna clean cuts. All right. So you want to get them like, you don't want to get them too thin. This is perfect. All right, now that you got your onions all cut, all right, we're going to go ahead and you're going to get your small skillet, small saucepan. You're going to add your onions. Add your red wine. And add your sugar. Then the rice wine vinegar. Enough to cover the onions. Now what you're going to do now, you're going to put this on your burner in a low medium heat for like 5 minutes. So we're going to crank that down to a nice low heat, and we're going to cover that and let that pickle. When it's finished, we're going to leave it, let it cool. We're going to get back to that real quick. Now for our fingerling potatoes, we're going to get a bowl. We're going to get fingerlings. Put the bowl aside for now. We're going to cut these in half. I'm going to do all the potatoes. All right. I'm going to add these to the bowl. I'm going to add our lemon juice. Don't cut back on the lemon juice, guys. Lemon juice is going to give this a nice flavor. And we're going to roast these in the oven, if you want, in case you want a little bit of salt. Trust me, guys, this one is going to be good. A bit of black pepper. We're going to hit this one with some oil. All right, so now your onion is being pickled, your potatoes is being roasted. Let's get working on our sauce. All right, so for your sauce, we're going to get a celery root. We're going to cut it as fine as we can. All right, we're going to get a small pan. We're going to add our celery. half a cup of water. We're gonna put this to boil. All right, so we got that boiling. Once it starts boiling, we'll start making our sauce. All right, now your water is boiling. I'm gonna go ahead and kill the heat a little bit. Take a look at the onions back there getting pickled. We could leave this covered. All right, so we have in here, we got some garlic powder and some paprika. I'm gonna add that. I'm gonna add a tip of lemon juice, just a little tip. Fresh sprig of thyme, a little bit of salt, some tomato paste. All right, we're just gonna bring this back to a boil. Just let it do its thing. Just gonna let it boil real quick. Once that's boiled, we're gonna strain, and we're gonna have our tomato broth. So celery tomato broth. All right, guys. So for our sauce, just gonna go ahead and strain. You can smell that broth. All right, guys. All right, so our sauce is finished. So we're now gonna go ahead and blanch our rapinis, broccolini. So for the big ones, I'm just gonna go ahead and split just the stalk, but not the flour. All right, now we're gonna blanch these in hot water, then ice water to stop the cooking process. So got some hot water going, then I'll go ahead and blanch these right now. All right, now we got the boiling water. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt to the water. I'm gonna add your broccoli. Let this stay in for like a minute. All right, it's time to get these out into the ice water. Let them stay here for a minute also. Now we're going to remove these. So the sauce is made. Broccoli rabe has been prepped. Fingerling still going. Onions been pickled. It's time for our swordfish, guys. All right, guys. So for a swordfish, you're gonna just add 2 nice steaks. Salt. I'm sure you get it nice, evenly coated with pepper. This side, some oil. We're just going to go ahead and make sure this is evenly marinated all over your steak or your fish. All right, now we're going to go ahead and get our grill hot and ready. All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and spray this some cooking spray. Then layer of fillet. We're just going to grill these for 5 minutes on each side, or until they're cooked all the way through. It depends on how thick they are. Alright, I'm going to move this up with a quick turn. Oops. There you go. Alright, guys, so we're going to go ahead and give these a flip. Nice, get it nice here. Oh yeah, I'm going to go 5 more minutes on this side, or as I say, until they're cooked. Alright, guys, now your fish is ready. Oh yeah. So everything including our fish is ready, guys. So now this is my favorite part of everything, the plating. So let's get plating up, guys. Alright guys, I get all my mise en place. Everything I'm gonna need. I'm gonna grab my spoon. I'm gonna grab the sauce. I'm gonna start with it in the center. I'm gonna do 2 spoons. Or let's do 3. All right. Keep it nice and clean, guys. We're gonna get our potatoes. So our potatoes are nice and brown. We're gonna get our broccoli rabe. Face them that way. Face them that way. We're gonna get our nice fish fillet. Place them that way.